We are the Pryors. 1 year ago, we bought our first home, and now we're creating a homestead down on Whispering Pines Lane. All homesteads have to begin somewhere, so here's our beginning. Hey y'all, welcome to my plant baby haven, my crazy plant lady room, which is honestly pretty low level crazy. I'd like for it to be a little crazier, but this will do for this year. Last year we moved into our home right at the end of April, so it was a race just to get any seeds in the ground. So I'm excited to have any starts this year. And I have been doing a little bit of mitigating of some leggy plants. I think I have one more to show you, that taller tomato plant. Leggy just means that their growth is accelerating at a rapid rate, usually due to insufficient light. They're literally stretching their stems to try to reach that light. So I want to show you what I've been doing for that. So I'll show you with this tomato plant. You're going to really gently, you can also use something like a chopstick, dig it out so that you're getting the roots but not disrupting the root system. Kind of putting it to its side so it shortens that long stem, and then gently retucking it in. So if you are seeing legginess with your plants, you want to try to address it right away, because they're just going to continue to grow taller and get more spindly. And if you were to transplant those into the ground, the likelihood of them bearing fruit would be probably pretty low. And if they did, they'd be more prone to pests and disease. And once they get to a certain point, it's best to probably just sow some seeds directly into the ground and try again. But if you're able to catch it in the beginning and try to mitigate, the tucking in is a good first method. But I always like to figure out kind of the root cause of why it happened in the first place. So light, like I said, is going to be one of the biggest. You can see they're by a window, so they are getting some direct sun, which is great. That alone is not enough. And this is my first year using grow lights, and these are not enough. So next year I'll be getting more. Every year we learn new things, and yeah, so I'm just trying to get these lights as close as possible, because that's really, if I had more, I could get them all really close, which is what they want and would like to have, and trying to get just an even disbursement and put some things kind of in direct sunlight, especially during this start of the day, when it's shining through this window the most. And then the last is water. You can see that they're all in little trays. At first I was misting them. Now I am adding water to the bottom of the trays, which allows the plants to suck the water up and really get a full root hydration instead of just a top mist. And then I'm doing a really diluted fish fertilizer about once a week to give a little extra boost. And yeah, then just saying a little prayer, giving a little love. My son comes in and plays music for them. He brings in his tambourines and shakers, and I cannot imagine that they don't love that. So that's what's happening in this room. I'll be probably doing a hardening off video in about 3 weeks with these. Hopefully they'll all be making it into the garden, but we shall see. And we've got raised beds we're about to make. We're getting our chickens next week. So all kinds of fun things happening down on Whispering Pines. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any fun. Like our videos, give some love, all those things that help to keep us seen and relevant in this world of YouTube. All right, much love, y'all.